Facebook is now monetizing content creators in Nigeria. Wow, this is good news, In this video, I want to tell you how to become a content creator in Nigeria, a Facebook content creator in Nigeria. Yes, it is a proven fact that when Facebook started giving room for content creators to create and publish content on the Facebook platform, some African countries weren't giving room to monetize. Like, you can be posting content and getting massive views, massive follower, massive audience, but you are not making any money from it. That is because the future of monetization as a Facebook creator haven't been rolled out for some African content creators, especially Nigerian content creators. But good news, yes. As it stands now, Facebook is now monetizing Nigerian content creators direct. The feature to monetize as a creator in Nigeria has now been rolled out on Facebook. So traditionally, you can now monetize your content on Facebook. I am a Facebook content creator. I recently joined Facebook because since I'm talking about social media, I'm into social media. I train people on how to take advantage of social media, on how to become content creators, and on how to explore the internet space and build a sustainable income stream online in three areas of concentration: the crypto, content, and social media space. So it's very important. I also take myself down to other social media platforms to really know how they work, so that whenever I'm teaching my students about social media and how they can take advantage of social media platforms, I'll have evidence to show, because I believe in evidence. You get it? So now Facebook is monetizing content creators directly in Nigeria. So what are you waiting for? I know you're watching this video, use Facebook a lot. Facebook get a lot of audience, mad audience. Sometimes when you enter Facebook, you see videos getting millions of views, getting thousands of views. And these creators are making money from those views. So you can also take advantage of it. You watching this video, I know you have Facebook in your phone. Very guaranteed, 100%. You might not be on YouTube because YouTube is not for everybody. Like me, the reason why I'm on YouTube is that YouTube gave monetization access to creators in Nigeria from day one. But Facebook didn't give monetization access to creators in Nigeria from day one. So that was why I didn't really join Facebook then, because me, anything I'm doing, if it has to do with maybe me connecting with somebody else to help me monetize my account or help me receive my money, I don't do it. If I don't have direct access, I don't do it. I prefer direct access so that tomorrow I'll not start hearing story. So that is why I am here now to tell you that you can become a Facebook content creator in Nigeria, because Facebook is now monetizing creators in Nigeria. Yes, people are making thousands of dollars as a creator in Nigeria. I've made thousands of dollars on this YouTube channel you are watching. And watch me. I started a new Facebook profile on Facebook, and I'll grow that Facebook, and I'll show you guys how I grew that Facebook to 1,000 followers within a very short period of time. So I'm going to give myself a momentum space of one month to 2 months to hit at least 1,000 followers. I'll monetize my profile on Facebook within 2 to 3 months, and I'll also come here and tell you that this is what I've been doing so far and this is the results I've gotten. So you that is watching me right now, I'll strongly advise you to become a Facebook content creator. You know why? It's much more easier to grow as a Facebook content creator than YouTube. YouTube is becoming more difficult nowadays to grow on YouTube, but it still works. Being a YouTube content creator still works. YouTube still pay creators decent amount of money for their creative works. I'm a living testimony. You understand? But now Facebook is here, and Facebook is now giving up monetization access to creators in Nigeria direct. You don't have to go through any middleman to monetize your Facebook profile or your Facebook account in Nigeria. Neither do you need any middleman or any shorty to help you receive your money when Facebook start paying you, when your Facebook profile or your Facebook page get monetized and it start paying you money. Once you hit $100 threshold, just like YouTube, automatically you withdraw. You have to provide your domiciliary account details. That is your dollar account details, and then they send your money directly to your dollar account. I'm a living witness. I've experienced it countlessly with YouTube. So Facebook is now doing the same thing. So you that happens to be a Nigerian, you have Facebook, please brand up that Facebook account, brand up that Facebook profile. It's very essential. You will thank me later. This is 2026. So many people are complaining, especially my friends in Nigeria here. They are complaining, hey Daniel, how are you doing this thing? How can we make money? This is very stressful. Making money in Nigeria is very, very stressful. Social media is here. You are using Facebook every day, burning data. Create content. You don't have to be a guru. You don't have to be a pro. You don't have to have the sophisticated gadgets that people preach online. You can buy simple ring light, like maybe 25 to 50,000 naira worth of ring light. You buy a microphone like this, worth of like 25,000 naira. Wait, let me get you the pack of the microphone. This is the pack of the microphone I make use of. You understand? This microphone you are seeing costs just 25,000 naira. And I have another type of it which costs just 15,000 naira. So with just this microphone, your mobile phone, and a simple ring light, you can become a content creator for Facebook, and you'll start cashing out massively. See, this thing works. It's a proven way of making money. And it's not just a way of making money, it's a way of making money online sustainably. Facebook content creation, especially for Nigerians. Now I'm focusing on Nigeria with this topic. Maybe in other videos I'll also make content on how to become a Facebook content creator from any part of the world. At first, creators from the United States, the UK, and other parts of the Western world were monetizing on Facebook directly. Then they haven't rolled out the feature for some African country. But to my greatest surprise, I think as at early last year or late last 2 years, Facebook rolled out the monetization feature, full monetization feature, ad revenue monetization feature for content creators in Nigeria. And ever since then, most content creators have been really taking advantage of it. The reason why I didn't really spread my tentacles, I was seriously working on my YouTube channel, growing it, because if I diversify my attention, it will make me burn out. I will be very stressed out. That's one thing. If you want to become a content creator, especially as a beginner, I'll advise you not to be on every social media platform. Imagine you now as a beginner, you don't even know how content creation works. You don't even know how to get started. Then the first thing you now do, you go and create an account with Facebook. You create an account with Instagram. You create an account with YouTube. You create an account with TikTok. That's 4 different social media accounts. Do you think you can manage it? Do you think you can survive the demand, the creativity demand? You create for YouTube, you create for Facebook, you create for TikTok, you create for Instagram, you create for S. Do you think you can manage the creativity demand? Being a content creator is a difficult task. You understand? Because you have to do filming, recording, editing, uploading, optimizing, and waiting for results. And sometimes you might go through all of this process and you discover that your video didn't even get much views, neither did it get much engagement. So at some point you might want to even give up with content creation business. But don't do, because here Facebook is here now. It's easier to grow on Facebook. It's easier to grow your audience on Facebook. And I'll advise, you can do Facebook page, but you can also use your Facebook profile. That's your regular Facebook profile that you use to add friends, follow friends, chat, do things, laugh, watch videos, laugh. That same profile can be your gateway to escaping poverty in Nigeria. Do not doubt it, because what I'm telling you here is reality. It's reality. Facebook, take advantage of it. So if you want to become a Facebook content creator, this is what you just do. Your Facebook account, optimize it and switch it to professional mode. If you cannot do it directly from the Facebook app, log in your Facebook account to your Google Chrome browser. Then from there you gain access to the full features of switching your account from your regular profile to a professional profile. Then once you switch your Facebook account to a professional profile, automatically it now gives you full access of a content creator. It is the professional profile that content creators make use of. You understand? So you can switch it. If you're finding it difficult on how to get started on Facebook, maybe how to create your account or set up your profile, I'll do a video about that. I've done video before on how to create Facebook page. I'll drop the video link in this video description below. I've done a video about that, how to even create Facebook content, how to edit Facebook content in order not to fall for copyright violation and all of that. I've done a lot of videos about that before, so you can watch this video. I'll drop the link in this video description below so that you watch. This is 2026. Take advantage of Facebook. That Facebook use of phone can be your gateway to escaping poverty as a Nigerian. I have friends, I have people I've done for clients, I've done for partners, I've done for business owners. You know, I've helped them brand up on Facebook. I've helped people monetize their Facebook pages. I'm a monetized YouTube content creator. For the past 4 years, I've been doing this thing, no jokes. And I recently joined Facebook. So I saw that, man, the same benefits we are getting here on YouTube is the same benefits Facebook have rolled out. So you know, on this channel now we talk about social media, content creation, and strategic crypto investment, and all of that. So that's what we talk on this channel. So now this is our content edition. We just rounded up with the crypto edition. So this is the content edition. So today I'm talking about how to become a Facebook content creator in Nigeria. Yes. If you're in Nigeria, take advantage of Facebook now. Monetize your Facebook profile. Monetize your Facebook account. Start pushing out content. Any kind of content you are good at. Just be strategic. Do not share random content. Stay focused. You get it? Have a niche. Pick a niche and share your content on that particular niche. You thank me later. You thank me at the end of 2026. When I started YouTube content creation, it was like a joke. I thought it won't work. I thought it only worked for pros, people that have money, people that are very rich. I didn't know that it can work for anybody. The only thing that I just need is your consistency, your focus, and your ability to always show up even when circumstances is against it. Facebook. And if you want to get started, after setting up your Facebook profile, I will drop a video link in this video description below that will guide you on how to set up your Facebook profile or your Facebook page. And then I'll also drop a link of a video on how to edit content, on how to edit video content, how to become a video editor, you understand, with just your mobile phone. That video, the title of that video is How Content Creators Edit Videos with Mobile Phone. It's a detailed tutorial video. I'll drop it in this video description link below as well so that you watch. And in case you want to get in touch with me for detailed inquiries, my WhatsApp contact line will be displayed on the screen. +234 8167 2996. Okay, that's it. Take advantage of Facebook. Seriously, Facebook is making creators rich now. Don't joke with it. And it's easier to grow on Facebook. If you are serious, within 1 to 6 months, you can blow up seriously on Facebook with large amount of audience. People have done thousands of followers on Facebook within a very short period of time. So don't joke with it. It's still your boy Daniel Anthony. Until we meet again, I just have to say I love you all, but for now, bye bye and peace. Take advantage of Facebook. It can change your life this 2026.